Sketch daily, unveiling the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating phrase, sketch daily. Whether you're a budding artist or just curious about English idioms, this video is for you. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase truly means. Sketch daily is a straightforward yet intriguing phrase. It consists of two parts, sketch and daily. The word sketch refers to drawing something quickly or creating a rough outline of a picture. It can be anything from a simple doodle to a detailed drawing. Daily, on the other hand, means something that happens every day. So, when we combine these two words, sketch daily literally means to draw or create sketches on a daily basis. This phrase is often used in contexts related to art and creativity. For instance, if someone is advised to sketch daily, it means they are being encouraged to practice their drawing skills every day. This regular practice is seen as essential for improving one's artistic abilities. However, the phrase can also be used metaphorically. In a broader sense, it can mean to regularly practice or engage in any skill or activity, not just sketching. Sketching daily has numerous benefits. It enhances creativity, improves fine motor skills, and can be a great way to express emotions. Regular practice can lead to significant improvement in drawing skills. Additionally, for non-artists, adopting a sketch daily approach in other areas of life can lead to consistent improvement and mastery of skills. If you're new to sketching or any other skill you want to practice daily, here are some tips. 1. Start small. Begin with simple sketches or tasks. 2. Make it a routine. Try to do it at the same time every day. 3. Be patient. Improvement takes time, so don't get discouraged. 4. Seek inspiration. Look at other artists' work or find resources in your area of interest for ideas. And there you have it. Sketch daily is more than just an artistic suggestion. It's a philosophy for continuous learning and improvement. We hope this video helps you understand and appreciate the value of regular practice, whether in art or any other skill. Keep practicing, stay inspired, and see you in the next video.